Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Greenlight's Hollywood Series 124 scale die-cast 1968 Ford Mustang GT. Now this is from the Steve McQueen movie BULLITT, and is painted in the legendary Highland green color and with features a black interior. As you can see, looks very well done, I think, for a 124 scale model. We'll go ahead here and shut her down and take a look at it closer. Now, if you've never seen BULLITT, yes, it does have some slow points in the movie, but the car chase is a must-see. I'm sure pretty much every one of you guys are probably subscribed to my channel. I've seen it, even if it's on YouTube in short clips. Amazing, the car chase, and that's obviously done before CGI and all that good stuff. This particular car, much like the Greenlight's other 124 scale, just has the doors open up. The hood does not open up. There's that in the boot or trunk lid is static. The paint is really nice on this. I like the way they did the back in the satin black. And the logo here is blacked out. I believe that is accurate to the way the movie car appears. It has separate lenses for the taillights. You got the JJZ 109 black California plate, which is correct. And the smaller dual exhaust. That could be done a little bit better. I don't really care for the way they did that, but and you have your torque thrust wheels. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good for a $23 car. And you got the Hurst shifter in there, and the wood grain interior. Originally, when I saw that Greenlight put a green exterior mirror on here, I thought that was wrong. It should be chrome. But after reviewing more of the few still shots, I believe they actually have it correct that was painted body color like that. I never noticed that before, and I think that's pretty cool. If that is in fact the way the actual movie car was. The hero car, I should say. You got the black plate on the front and the plain grille. Headlight details very nice. These marker lamps underneath are just painted pure white. I'm not sure how accurate that really is. It looks kind of weird to me in the bright white. Wiper details okay. The glass looks like it needs polished out. Separate lenses here, but it doesn't look like it's seated very well there. Separate chrome door handles, lock bezels painted silver. Not much to look at underneath, and you're not going to find a 360 inside of this, or whatever this car was powered by. It's also correct to not have a side mirror on the passenger side. That's correct. This also could be easily modified and have carpets added to it, or some flocking, I should say. It does feature a gauge pack. Window cranks look good. Now I believe the steering wheel was wood in the movie, wood rimmed. I could be wrong on that. I'd have to go back and review. I haven't seen the movie in a long time. Maybe it was black leather covered. Overall, not bad at all. I'm not sure how accurate these lights here are on the side. It does have a little bit of a stalk sticking up for the radio antenna. Looks pretty good. So there you go. That's Greenlight's 1/24 scale Bullitt Mustang, and that was a '68 Mustang GT used in the movie. Very nice. So hopefully you guys like that, and just a quick look. And if you like more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. And I also have videos of custom Hot Wheels and other 1/64 scale and 1/18 scale diecast cars. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.